Most people trying AI side hustles don't fail because AI doesn't work. They fail because they don't have a system. They watch one video, try one tool, then jump to the next idea before anything ever pays. That's not how real income is built. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact framework I use to build AI side hustles that actually pay every month. Even if you're starting from zero and have no technical background, this is the foundation behind every AI side hustle I've shared on this channel. Here's the hard truth. AI side hustles don't fail because of competition. They fail because people treat them like lottery tickets. They chase tools instead of systems. They chase speed instead of structure. They chase hype instead of value. If you don't understand how AI creates value, you'll never turn it into income. Once you understand this framework, AI becomes predictable instead of confusing. Every successful AI side hustle falls into one of three income models. Once you know these, everything becomes simpler. The first model is AI products. These are digital assets that AI helps you create once and sell repeatedly. Things like prompt packs, Canva templates, Notion dashboards, ebooks, planners, or digital guides. AI speeds up creation, but distribution is what actually makes the money. The product doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to solve one clear problem. The second model is AI services. This is where I recommend most beginners start. AI services are fast to launch, easy to sell, and in very high demand right now. Examples include AI headshots, short-form video editing, resume optimization, chatbot setup, social media captions, or lead generation content. Clients don't care how AI works, they care about results. AI simply allows you to deliver faster and cheaper while keeping margins high. This model builds cash flow first, which gives you leverage later. The third model is AI content engines. This is where long-term income is built. AI content engines use AI to create content at scale, build audiences, and monetize repeatedly. Examples include faceless YouTube channels, TikTok automation pages, niche Instagram accounts, blogs paired with affiliate offers, or digital product funnels. This model takes longer at the start, but compounds over time if you stay consistent. Now here's the exact framework I personally follow. Step 1 is picking one income model, not all three. Step 2 is picking one niche. You don't need to dominate everything. You need to dominate something small. Step 3 is solving one clear problem. Confusion kills conversions. Step 4 is using AI to speed up execution. AI is the engine, not the business. Step 5 is distribution. If nobody sees your work, it doesn't matter how good it is. Step 6 is improvement. You improve weekly, not daily. Systems grow with time. This is where most people mess up. They think AI tools make money. They don't. ChatGPT doesn't pay you. Midjourney doesn't pay you. CapCut doesn't pay you. Customers pay you. AI just helps you deliver faster, cheaper, and more consistently. Once you understand this, you stop chasing tools and start building income systems. If you're starting today and want the simplest path forward, start with AI services. Pick one platform, offer one service, solve one problem. Cash flow first, systems second, automation last. This order matters more than any tool you'll ever use. If you want my exact AI side hustle framework, comment system below and I'll send it to you. If this video helped you think differently about AI income, hit like and subscribe. This channel is about building real AI income, not hype.